Hi, Unique Device. It's your girl, Unique Nilo. Alright, for today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you two turban designs. Actually, they were sent to me by different subscribers. And I've already done a rough tutorial because it was a quick tutorial that I did on our platform, which is our WhatsApp group. But finally, I got this message from someone. This is the screenshot of the message. And I felt like coming on YouTube to explain more. So if you have not joined our WhatsApp group, you are missing out. The link is on the description box. Guys, if you are finding it difficult to join, this is my number on the screen. Just chat me up and I will send the link to you and you will join us on WhatsApp. Some tutorials are going on there. Alright, so I'll be teaching you this particular design as well. Without taking much of your time, let's move straight to the tutorial. Alright, I'll be explaining the first design, that is that top plate with this material. If you can remember this material, this was the last design that I taught on my channel. If you have not watched it, please check it out. So if you want to learn how to make those plates, please check this video on my channel. Is the video I just posted before I'll be posting this, okay? And the link is also on the description box if you want to learn how to make that plate. Alright, so remember I explained how to make this plate and I won't be explaining it here. We got 4 plates. And remember at this center, this is where you get that part that I joined together before you cover the plate. You understand? So we'll be getting 4 plates. But on the picture the person sent, there are 5 plates. I don't know if you understand me. I remember the length of this one measures 35 inches by 23 inches. Please, whenever you see me do my hand like this, it means length. And this means width. So this length, the length of this one measures 35 inches, while the width is 23 inches. But the picture the person sent is 5 plates. But here I got 4 plates. And remember the foam I used here, if you can remember, is half-inch foam, half-inch foam. I cut it out 4 pieces. But for the picture the person sent is 5 pieces. And the length of this foam measures 33 inches length by 1.5 inches width. 33 inches length by 1.5 inches width. The picture has 5, but mine is 4 pieces. So what we'll be doing here is to get 5 plates, you understand, your length will still be 35 inches, but your width, you increase it to like 30 inches. Remember, it's 5 pieces, okay? So increase your width to 30 inches. So it will accommodate the 5 pieces of foam. So here we have 4 plates, and what you just do is locate the center of this plate, then place it on your dummy head. This is the design. Guys, it's very easy, nothing else. You can see how it looks. So what we just be doing is place it on your turban cap base like this. Then see the first, see the second, and you can see it's 4 plates. If it's 5 plates, once you add the remaining foam, making it 5 foams, you see you'll be getting 5 plates. So just follow this method and you will get your design. And how do you finish it? The back base like this, the back part of it, you're going to hide it this way. If you watch the previous video, this will be easy for you. Then you tack here. Use your needle and thread and tack here. Then cut out fabric that will cover here up, okay? After tacking it. So you tack this place, tack this point, tack here, and tack here. So guys, once you are done doing all these things, to cover it up, also watch that video I told you. Watch the video and it will give you a guide on how to cover it up. I mean this video. It will give you a guide on how to cover up. Also, this video will also be placed on my description box. It will also give you a guide on how to cover up the back of that turban. So let's move straight to the second design. And this second picture was also sent to me by a subscriber. This is not my work. So guys, what I did here was, if you can remember this fabric, this cap, if you can remember it, it's already on my channel. Check out this video. The link is also on my description box, okay? What I did here was I had to loosen this turban. I took it and used scissors to bring out the back. Yes, it has been lying around and I said, there's no need getting another fabric. So if you want to learn how I achieve this turban cap base, watch the video I showed you, okay? And this is the long handle that I used for forming design on top of it. So what I did there was I just cut it out from the turban cap base. I had to improvise, guys. Yes, I had to improvise, please. So I used my razor to just pieces it, and you can see how it looks. Guys, if you want to get this design, just watch the video I showed. It's also on my description my description box. All right. So the length of this fabric after cutting it out was 3.5 by 6.5 inches width. You remember I cut it out from my turban cap. But please, if you want to cut out the fabric now, I mean, if you got a new fabric without doing cut and join, what you use is length 36 inches and width will be 7 inches. Your length will be 36 inches while your width will be 7 inches. Cut it two pieces. I don't know if you understand me. So you can see how it looks after cutting it out. And next thing I'll be doing now is to insert the foam for the design. So I'll set this cap base aside. All right, this is the foam I'll be using, and this is 1 inch foam, not half inch, 1 inch foam. And the length of this foam measures 33 inches by 2 inches width. I cut out two pieces. Okay, so I'm done inserting it into this one, and I will insert it into this fabric. Okay, please, while doing this, take it easy so you don't cut your foam. All right, so this is the outcome, and you can see how it's neatly placed. And next thing I'll be doing now is to form the one side braid and one side plain. All right, what I'll be doing is I'll be locating the center of this fabric by folding it this way. Just take one piece of it, and I'll be forming my braid with the help of someone holding it. Please watch the way I'll be folding this braid. See, there's something you should do here. Make sure that long one at the center, you can see it, it goes up this way. Once you do it this way, you will see that it will wrap very well. All right, so you continue with your braid. I believe many of you know how to braid your fabric. So you braid it down, and after braiding, you tack it at the end of it. All right, so make sure someone helps you while you do this, and after braiding, just take it to your sewing machine or use your hand needle to tack here. Guys, if you notice, you see that mine reduced here. It's because of that 33.5 inches. It reduced, and this one side will be long. Ignore it. After sewing yours, one side will be longer. So once you finish, join it this way. Please use the recent measurement I gave you, which is 36 inches. Don't forget to use that current measurement. If not, yours will not wrap well. So I'm done holding it at the back, and after doing this, I have to, you can tack down to your turban cap base now. You can do your tacking, or you bring it out without even tacking, but the major thing is you have to close here up. So I have to measure it this way, and it makes me to get my length to be 8 inches, okay, and my width will be 8 inches again. See, you will notice that my length, I showed you 4 inches, Abby. So why I said this 8 inches is, that's the side you fold, making it 4 plus 4, 8 inches. So that's why my length is 8 inches. I always show you how to cover this back in case you want to increase your foam or reduce it. So after doing all this, we're cutting out the piece and cover it up as usual. If you have watched my previous video, you will see how you do the covering. Guys, please, if you have not done so, just go and watch the video. The link is already in my description box. And you're doing me bad if you have not liked this video. If it's helpful, you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. So guys, this is the spiral twist turban, which I told you to go and watch, so you learn how to cover up your turban. This is the outcome of my work. It's good to have you to this time. See you next time. Bye.